Apples, extra apples, purchase basically. When you guys are done, simply come back up here. The ladies will take care of you.
Okay.
There are some vegetables as well, and we did our own farming this year. So we have some of these as well if you guys are interested in it. Okay.
Where do we get the veggies? Also there? We
No,
pick our own
it's
veggies.
just apples. All right.
Okay,
It's just
see
an
you
orchard.
soon. See you again.
So this is what we call the Silken? This type?
It looks like that, but that's not it. That's
Yeah.
different.
Oh, that one, Silken.
And what's the other one?
Tideman. T-Y-D-M-E-N. Tideman.
So
They're-
type of
Tideman are red ones.
Malamig na.
They're good. They're good. They're delicious. Well, like I said, every season has October would be Spies, Spartans, Golden Delicious. You know what I mean? So yeah, just go try it out, and Todd will help you out furthermore. Good guys, have fun.
Okay, thanks.
Oh, I like the house.
Is there right?
When it starts getting busier, the rides are going to be a bit more.
Thank you.
That whole row in the middle is high.
Okay, okay. Thank you. Hirap naman dito. Papapa.
Ano to? Tungkol. Baka mamaya madali ako. Ito mo kung MacIntosh to.
Mm.
Pangit naman kuhanan eh. Ang daming patsi-patsi. Crunchy. Ayun na lang. Diba? Daming patsi-patsi. Ngayon lang ako nakakita ng apple na maliliit. Ako rin.
Mm.
Hmm?